In this video today, guys, I'm going to be showing you the best Uber Eats promo codes in 2026. I've spent a long time searching Google, watching other YouTube videos, and most of the codes give you very little, if anything, off your orders. And these codes that I'm going to show you for Uber Eats are new and existing customers can use these. So yeah, it's going to save you a bunch of time and a bunch of money. So before I show you these Uber Eats coupon codes, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am always searching for new codes and new money saving methods. So let's get into it, guys. I recommend you use your mobile phone internet browser to obtain your Uber Eats promo code. So head on over to www.crashcoupons.com. Very important you type it correctly, Crash Coupons. And once you reach this website, guys, because they have hundreds of different pages and they're mostly specialized in game codes, but they obviously have stuff like Uber Eats as well. So I recommend just using the search bar, searching for Uber Eats. And here we go, guys. There is only one Uber Eats coupon code that's working, and this is a $100 account credit code. So this is going to supply $100 into your Uber Eats account, and this is completely free. And it only takes a few minutes to get your code, guys. So yeah, this is definitely the most safest and reliable method to get free food in Uber Eats. Now, these are limited codes. You can see there's 150 codes remaining. So your code is hidden and you need to reveal your code, guys. So basically you need to unlock it. So to do that, click on this button and you're going to be greeted by this page here that tells you what you need to do. So it says here, complete 2 of the free offers below to unlock your code from Crash Coupons. Now these are basically applications and surveys and mobile games. These sponsor Crash Coupons. That's how we can get these $100 Uber Eats promo codes. So you need to make sure you follow the instructions below each of the tasks. As you can see, the small text tells you what you need to do, guys, and they're really easy. Like this one says download and install this app and create a free account. So yeah, just make sure you fully complete 2 of them. They're all completely free. It's going to take you about 5 minutes, and then it's going to send you back to Crash Coupons. So if you follow all of the instructions carefully, your Uber Eats discount code will be revealed in this box. I did this earlier and it's 100% working. And then you grab your code, redeem it in app or in the checkout in the Uber Eats app, and that is going to give you $100 account credit. You can apply this straight to orders as well. So if you are doing a large order, you can literally redeem this code and it's going to remove $100. So that is it, guys. Go to Crash Coupons. Any questions, let me know. It's super easy. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.